Make sure to pay attention because we have 10 hours left before the weekly candle closes for Bitcoin, BTC, and Ethereum, ETH. So make sure to stick around to see all the scenarios that can happen within the next 10 hours. With that said, this is DC Trading. Make sure to subscribe and turn on post notifications if you want to stay updated with Ethereum and Bitcoin. With that said, let's get right into it. First off, we're going to be looking at Bitcoin, BTC. We're going to be doing a technical analysis and telling you the scenarios. So first off, we're looking at the 1 hourly time frame. As you guys can see, right now the RSI is sitting around 56, actually 48. So it's not overbought, it's not oversold, it's in the middle basically. But if we look over here, the Bollinger Band, it did touch the top of the Bollinger Band earlier today. It made its way back up above 22,800, but fell back down and is sitting around 22,500. So guys, this is going to be a very tight window for Bitcoin to make a move and close above $22,600. As I said before in my previous video, if you haven't checked that out, go check it out right now. But I basically said, if we want to see higher prices for Bitcoin, BTC, we must close above $22,600 on the weekly time frame. Also, we need to close above this ascending channel. As you guys can see, we did break above the ascending channel, but it looked like it was a fake out because we broke back down into the ascending channel. But we're very tight right here, as you guys can see. We touched the top of the Bollinger Band and we're stuck around this support. So it's going to be interesting to see if in the next 10 hours Bitcoin breaks through the downside or the upside. Make sure to subscribe to stay updated because I update you daily on the price movements for Bitcoin and Ethereum. So first scenario is we close above 22,600, and then we can just see a consolidation here for the next couple days until the Fed meeting. Second scenario is we break down and we basically head all the way back down to the $21,600 level, and then we just consolidate there until the news or the meeting on Tuesday. That's second scenario. Third scenario is we break through the downside and we just tank all the way back down to this support of 20,000. That's the worst case scenario. That's the least likely because Bitcoin is very strong right now. So that's it for Bitcoin. Now we're moving on to Ethereum. So if you look at Ethereum, as I said previously, I said that there was a head and shoulders, but earlier today, the bulls managed to break through the upside and almost go all the way up to $1,640, but got rejected around the $1,600 and is sitting around $1,581. It's the last chance before Ethereum, doesn't hit 1,800. We have 10 hours. We need the bulls to push Ethereum even higher. But let's just say, for the sake of the scenario, Bitcoin closes below, tanks. Well, we're going to see Ethereum right along with Bitcoin tank. So we need to be careful with this, and we need to be aware of the possibility of Ethereum this happening. As you guys can see, it is consolidating right here because the channel is very, very tight. And the RSI is around 50, so it's in the middle. So yes, guys, we need to be aware. A lot of stuff. This seems very, very interesting right now for Bitcoin and Ethereum. They are following the same movements. So yes, we need to be aware. We have 10 hours until the bulls, either they are successful and push the price to 1,800, or they're not and they push the price down back around probably the 13 to 1400, and my price prediction would be correct where I said they would close the weekly candle around 13 to 1400. But we have 10 hours. That's a lot of hours still left. That is all I have for today. First scenario actually is we break through the upside to the 1800 and then get rejected here and go back down. The second scenario is we break through the downside and we head to 1400. So yes, those are two scenarios that can happen, and we must be aware. That is all I have for today. This is DC Trading. Make sure to subscribe, turn post notifications, check out my previous videos on Ethereum and Bitcoin. Tomorrow I will make, or actually today I will make a video on the impact of the Fed meeting and what to expect. So make sure to turn post notifications if you're subscribed. With that said, I will see you guys later on. Peace.